Hello everyone, it's Robinhood Guy. Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we're going to talk about Shiba Inu. We're basically going to cover a variety of topics like what happened today. Is it still too early or too late to get in? Like what's going on with Robinhood? And basically, I'm just going to go over some technical analysis of what I think is going to happen with Shiba Inu. Basically, give like my price prediction of where it's going. And lastly, I'll basically showcase my portfolio. I'll showcase how much I have and what I plan to do next. So make sure you stay to the end of the video so you don't miss out on that. So I just want to emphasize, I'm not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes. So make sure you go ahead and check out my channel, Your Options Guy. If you like what you see, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I'm also going to be doing a giveaway. I've never actually done this before, but we recently broke 900 subscribers. So I wanted to do a giveaway to my subscribers. So if you want to be entered in the giveaway, all you have to do is hit the subscribe button and leave a comment in this video. Anything related to Shiba Inu will be fine. But make sure you leave a comment as well, and basically you'll be entered into the giveaway. So basically what I'm giving away is $50 in Shiba Inu. So I'll be announcing the winner in tomorrow's video. So remember, all you have to do is hit the subscribe button, leave any comment, you'll be entered in the giveaway, and I'll declare the winner in tomorrow's video. So make sure you read the description to get the full details. Alright, so let's get into the video. So today there was a lot of paper hand going on. Like, what happened, team? What happened, SHIB Army? I thought you guys were holding strong. I thought we're gonna hold on at least till we see 1 cent. Like, what happened? No, I'm just kidding. No, it's totally understandable that people are gonna be taking profits, especially after surging so much. We basically almost retouched the all-time high, which was around 38. So we basically almost got there. I think we got around 37. Yeah, we got around 37 yesterday. And it's just been running like this past week. It was surging like more than 300%. I think it almost touched almost 400% in the past week. So obviously it's expected that there's going to be a pullback. You know, it's totally understandable. The thing that's surprising though is that it's still holding around that 20 mark. Like, I think most people got in around the 6 or 8 range back here in the beginning of October or September. Especially when it got listed on Coinbase. Ever since it got listed on Coinbase, a lot of people like piled in, and then that day it doubled in 1 day, and then it kind of came back down a couple of days later. But then, as you can see, like everyone was holding basically for like a while after the Coinbase listing, and then it just started doubling and then tripling and then just going crazy. But I'm actually surprised that it's holding above this 20 mark. I actually expected a little bit more pullback, maybe back to the 13 range. But this to me shows that there's still like a good amount of people holding. Maybe people are still holding like into massive profits, like they don't want to sell. And I'm with them because I personally don't want to sell until it's listed in Robinhood at least, because the Robinhood listing is gonna be huge. I believe it's gonna surge the price even more, maybe double or triple from where it's at right now. And I'll basically showcase like why I think that will happen. But I'm still holding at least till the Robinhood listing, and then we'll see like how far up it's gone. But you know, I feel like it's too early to sell at least. So if you're watching this video and you haven't got in yet and you're thinking of getting in, I personally think it's a good time. Again, it's not financial advice, but I personally think it's a good time. At least putting in like some amount of money that you don't really need. Like for me, I put in like a couple hundreds of dollars here and there. So to me, that's money that I don't necessarily need. That's just me like putting in there just to see like how far this thing goes, you know, basically supporting the cause, the Shiba Army cause. So yeah, if you think it's, you know, you have a couple petty cash to put somewhere, definitely Shiba Inu. I still think it's a good time because again, it hasn't been listed in Robinhood, and I think Robinhood is going to be a huge catalyst. The second they announced that it's going to be listed in Robinhood, for sure it's going to like explode. Personally, that's my opinion. But yeah, it's going to be a huge momentum. All right, so let's compare Shiba Inu to Doggy or Dogecoin. So as you can see, Shiba Inu, the market cap has went back down to 9 billion. And if we take a look at Dogecoin, it's at 32. So Dogecoin is a little bit like almost 4 times the amount of Shiba Inu. And basically like that just kind of gives you the like like you can infer of like, okay, like if Shiba Inu is gonna overtake Doggy or Dogecoin, or if it's gonna even like, rise up to it, it still has a good ways to go. It can still at least almost 4x from what it is right now. So you can still potentially 4x your money if it hits that trajectory of like where Dogecoin is at in terms of market cap. All right, so what's going on with Shiba Inu and Robinhood? Like why is it listed yet, or it's gonna be listed, and when we'll find out? So to be honest, we still don't know, and the current news of Robinhood, they haven't confirmed yet if Shiba Inu is going to be listed. I think it will be. I don't see why it wouldn't be, and I'll go into more reasons why I think it will be. But as you can see, basically there's this petition going out to have Shiba Inu be submitted into Robinhood, and as you can see, it has over 200,000 signatures so far. They're trying to get to 300,000 at least, but all in all, I think it wouldn't be kind of dumb if Robinhood didn't list Shiba Inu. It has too much hype going on for it. And as you can see right here, so I basically Googled like how much revenue does Dogecoin bring to Robinhood. So as you can see, Dogecoin accounted for nearly 62% of commission-free cryptocurrency trading app Robinhood's revenue of 233 million. So basically, Dogecoin alone, it's a huge, it brings in so much revenue by itself. So I don't see why they wouldn't list Shiba Inu, because Dogecoin basically is a huge retailer incentive. A lot of people say it's kind of like the gateway cryptocurrency for a lot of retailers. And I think if it was just listed in Robinhood, it would cost more money for Robinhood. Like, I don't see why it wouldn't. So just given these numbers alone, I think like we have a really good chance of having Shiba Inu being listed in Robinhood at least sometime soon. There's still rumors going around that most likely Robinhood will list it when the crypto wallets are implemented in Robinhood. So right now in Robinhood, you don't have any wallets yourself. The only thing you could do is sell your cryptocurrency and then sell it back for fiat. So as of right now, I think once they finally implement crypto wallets, or shortly after that, I think they might go ahead and be like, you know what, we're gonna list like Shiba Inu and then like all these other type of currencies probably, because right now they only have 7, and like I think they'll just increase the revenue by doing so. So basically, looking at this article right here, they were basically saying that with the positive market sentiment, expect more buyers to join the SHIB price action and further run price action higher. A retest of the 39 looks to be the ultimate price target. So as you can see, we basically got there, or almost there. We got to like 37, 35 range, and then we basically came back down. And it says here that if bulls take too much profit, making the rally lose steam and pressure, expected further pairing of the gains toward the 23 or even the sub 20 level. So it's actually pretty interesting, because if we take a look, we're actually sitting around the 23 range. So that article is kind of on point of where we're at. So basically, this is my technical analysis. So as you can see down here, this is basically the RSI. So whenever the RSI gets above 70, you can tell that it's getting like too overbought. And then usually what happens is there's a pullback. So you see right here, it touched like that 70 range and then started pulling back. And then over here, we like slingshot way past it. So it was definitely expected to see a pullback, but it looks like we're kind of stabilizing right here. So it's kind of interesting. But anyways, the 35 is kind of like a strong resistance. There's also 28 as another resistance. Currently right now, we're sitting above the 20 support. So we're right around the 22, 23 area. If we break this 20 support, we can expect to see further downside around to like that 16 range. And then if we break that, we're probably going to hit that 12 range support around there. And then lastly, the overall strongest support is around that 0.6 range, the 6 to the 8 range. So that's basically like my technical analysis. There's not much technical analysis we can do really with Shiba Inu, especially given like the current price action. But basically, those are like my support lines and my resistance lines. So as long as we're above the 20 support, we can most likely see another retest of that 28 coming up. All right, so last case, I want to showcase my portfolio. So as you can see, I'm basically sitting at $785. So in yesterday's video, I was over 1,000, and I was showcasing that, you know, I'm not selling, or I don't plan to sell yet, and I basically gave my reasons why. So I'm still not planning to sell. I'm still sitting at around 75% in gains. I started around $450, and the funny thing is, I started around $450, and then quickly it dropped to like 250. So I was sitting like in the red for like a while. I was down like more than 50%, or around 50% basically. And then I was still holding because I was like, you know what, like I feel like Shiba Inu might spike, and it hasn't been listed in Robinhood yet, so I feel like it's still a good time to hold. So I just been holding, and basically I've almost doubled my money. I was more than double yesterday, but I'm still holding. I actually don't have any more petty cash to put in. Again, I wouldn't put like your life savings into this unless if you know you're okay with potentially losing all your money. But if you do have any like what I consider petty cash, which is just like some money on the side that you're okay to lose just in case, but I don't think you're gonna lose because there's like a strong momentum for Shiba Inu right now, so I don't think it's gonna like drop completely to zero. So either way, I think like putting some petty cash into Shiba Inu, I think will be good enough. You know, that it might go up 50%, it might double, who knows, right? But I think personally it's still too early because it still hasn't been listed in Robinhood. And the second, I'm telling you, the second they announced that Shiba Inu is going to be listed in Robinhood, it's going to spike. It's going to probably double that same day. So again, like if you're planning to have or ride that momentum, you probably want to get in now, especially now that it's pulled back a little bit. You don't want to be like in after it's already spiked, you know, 100% or whatever. So definitely a good time to buy. You know, maybe a little bit right now, and then if it dips past this 20 support, maybe a little bit, you know, more, especially better buying zones right here and right here. So anyways, that's it for today's video. I'm still holding. I'm not planning to sell, at least for now. And let me know your thoughts. Let me know in the comments of what you're doing, if you're holding, if you're selling. I'm actually interested to know how much people are holding specifically, like range wise. I'm holding just under 1,000. I was above 1,000 yesterday, but you know, now I'm back down under 1,000. So I think for the most part, people have a couple $100 in this. I don't know anyone personally that has, you know, hundreds of thousands or tens of thousands of dollars in this personally. But if you do, then good for you. You have like balls of steel. But yeah, so anyways, with the amount of money that I have, you know, I'm comfortable with holding. I don't have to stress about anything. So anyways, if you like this video, make sure you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment if you want to get added to the raffle, or I mean the giveaway that I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be giving away basically $50 worth of Shiba Inu, and I'll declare the winner tomorrow. So make sure you go ahead and do that. And thanks for watching.